Today is Monday. It is September 14th and it is a great day to be a Charger here at the Green Acres Middle School. Please stand for the flag salute. Ready? Salute. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated. Ladies and gentlemen, we have lunch ID cards, and some of you, we have books. Make sure that you're calling into the office between 9 a.m. and 12 p.m. That works for both a.m. and p.m. people, to make sure that you are getting your things here on time. We want to make sure you have your books for class, so be ready to go. We also want you here at school. That means making sure that you show up. You do your best learning when you're actually in class, not just looking at the material given to you online. Be sure you also are here on Wednesdays for advisory so you know where to go for RTI. This week, make sure especially you're doing your work. If you haven't been before, now is a great time to get into the practice of doing so. Remember that this marking period ends on Friday, so make sure you get anything that was marked a 1, make sure you get it taken care of here. Okay, start working on getting those grades up and getting everything done. This Wednesday again is RTI, as most Wednesdays are. Here again is the schedule. You start your day with advisory, and then depending on what classes you need, you may or may not be on board for the remainder until lunch. Don't forget, we have asynchronous time in the afternoon and office hours from 12:45 to 1:45. So your teachers will assign you, and they are doing so this week. They have until Tuesday afternoon to assign you. Make sure that you show up, go to advisory, check in to find out which RTIs you have, and then attend those RTIs via their Zoom link. This Wednesday is Pet Day, so check out the leadership video for more information. And the thought for the week. This is about giving your best efforts, especially this week. Don't expect front row seats if you are giving nosebleed effort. Nosebleed seats are the ones way up in the back. So if you're not giving your best effort, how can you expect to get the best things? Make sure you are giving that best effort to be effective. That's it for the day's bulletin. We are Chargers with Heart. We are honest, effective, ambitious, respectful, and thoughtful. So remember, people, wherever you go, whatever you do, be a Charger with Heart. Have a great day.